This is the H2 Grand Prix Sprint, our hands-on hydrogen-powered car kit that lets your students explore hydrogen fuel cells, analyze their environmental impact, and design a fuel cell-powered car right in the classroom. Our one-of-a-kind Sprint Kit takes renewable energy education to the next level by allowing your students to play an active part in every step of the learning process. Your students will use basic engineering principles to assemble the chassis, powertrain, and hydrogen fuel cell components of their sprint car. Using the PEM hydrogen fuel cell, they'll see firsthand how hydrogen can be converted into electricity to power a vehicle. And with the included electrolyzer, they'll also get to produce their own hydrogen, giving them a full picture of the hydrogen value chain from beginning to end. With our super portable roll-out practice track, your students can then put their engineering skills to the test by competing in lightning speed races against their classmates. Get a single Sprint Kit to bring your renewable energy lessons to life. Or, for the full experience, check out our classroom pack, which comes with 6 sprint cars and free access to our full 10-lesson curriculum.